Welcome back to GardenBound. Today we are discussing a highly requested topic, how to draw butterflies to your garden. Not only are they beautiful, but butterflies have many benefits for both you and your garden. Let's dive in. Creating a butterfly paradise in your garden starts with understanding butterfly behavior and their specific needs. Butterflies are cold-blooded insects that rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. They are most active during warm, sunny days, when temperatures are between 60 degree F and 108 degree F. During cooler temperatures, they are less active and seek out sunlit areas to bask and raise their body temperature. Providing sunny spots in your garden, such as flat stones or garden ornaments, can offer butterflies the warmth they need to stay active and energized. Another critical aspect of butterfly behavior is their need for nectar and host plants. Nectar plants provide adult butterflies with the necessary food to fuel their flight and reproductive activities. Butterflies are particularly attracted to brightly colored flowers with flat-topped or clustered blooms, which provide easy access to nectar. Examples of excellent nectar plants include milkweed, butterfly bush, lantana, and coneflower. These plants not only attract a variety of butterfly species, but also add vibrant color and texture to your garden. Host plants, on the other hand, are crucial for the butterfly life cycle. Female butterflies lay their eggs on specific host plants, which serve as food for the emerging caterpillars. Different butterfly species have different host plant preferences. For instance, monarch butterflies lay their eggs exclusively on milkweed, while black swallowtails prefer plants in the carrot family, such as dill, parsley, and fennel. Including a diverse array of host plants in your garden ensures that you can support multiple butterfly species and help their populations thrive. Water is another essential element for butterflies. Unlike many other insects, butterflies do not drink from open water sources. Instead, they engage in a behavior known as puddling, where they extract moisture and minerals from damp soil, mud puddles, or wet sand. Creating a shallow water feature, such as a bird bath with a layer of sand, or placing small dishes filled with wet sand or soil around your garden, can provide butterflies with the hydration and nutrients they need. Moreover, butterflies need shelter from predators and harsh weather conditions. Dense shrubs, trees, and tall grasses can offer protective cover and safe resting places. Planting a variety of vegetation at different heights creates a layered environment that mimics natural habitats and provides ample hiding spots for butterflies. Additionally, leaving some areas of your garden undisturbed, with fallen leaves and dead plant material, can create overwintering sites for butterfly eggs, larvae, and pupae. By understanding and catering to these behavioral needs, you can create an inviting and supportive environment that attracts and sustains butterflies in your garden. This holistic approach not only enhances the beauty and diversity of your garden, but also contributes to the conservation of these essential pollinators. Selecting the right plants is paramount to creating a butterfly-friendly garden. This involves incorporating a mix of nectar plants, host plants, and a variety of flowering species to cater to the diverse needs of different butterfly species. Nectar plants. To attract adult butterflies, focus on planting a wide array of nectar-rich flowers. Butterflies are drawn to bright colors such as red, orange, pink, purple, and yellow. Plants like butterfly bush, Buddleia davidi, lantana, Lantana camara, coneflower, Echinacea purpurea, and zinnias, Zinnia spp, are particularly effective at attracting butterflies due to their abundant nectar. Research from the North American Butterfly Association highlights that planting clusters of these flowers can create a more prominent visual and olfactory target for butterflies, increasing their likelihood of visiting your garden. Additionally, long-blooming varieties ensure a continuous food source throughout the growing season. Host plants. Providing host plants is crucial for supporting the entire life cycle of butterflies. Different species of butterflies have specific host plants that their larvae, caterpillars, feed on. For instance, the monarch butterfly exclusively lays its eggs on milkweed, Asclepias sppis, which serves as the sole food source for monarch caterpillars. Similarly, black swallowtail butterflies prefer members of the carrot family, such as dill, Enethum graveolens, parsley, Petroselinum crispum, and fennel, Funiculum vulgar. Incorporating these plants ensures that once the butterflies lay their eggs, the emerging caterpillars have a reliable food source. Native plants. Emphasizing native plants in your garden design is particularly beneficial. native plants have co-evolved with local butterfly species and are often better suited to meet their needs. For example, in the eastern United States, planting Joe Pye weed, Eutrochium purpureum, goldenrod, Solidago spp, and Aster spp dares, can attract and support a wide range of native butterflies. A study published in the journal Biological Conservation found that gardens with a higher proportion of native plants had significantly greater butterfly diversity compared to those dominated by non-native species. Flower variety. To maximize butterfly attraction, include a variety of flower shapes and sizes. Flat-topped flowers like yarrow, Achillea millefolium, provide an easy landing pad for butterflies, while tubular flowers like salvia, Salvia spp, accommodate butterflies with longer proboscises. Data from the Xerces Society for Invertebrate Conservation suggests that gardens with diverse flower morphologies support a broader range of butterfly species, as different butterflies have different feeding adaptations. Seasonal blooming. Ensure that your garden has plants that bloom throughout the growing season. Early bloomers like spring beauty, Claytonia virginica, provide nectar when butterflies first emerge in spring, while late bloomers like aster, Symphyiotrichum spp, and goldenrod sustain butterflies during their migration in fall. This continuous supply of nectar is vital for supporting butterfly populations year-round. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging a variety of nectar and host plants, you can create a vibrant and dynamic garden that attracts and supports butterflies. This plant diversity not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your garden, but also promotes ecological balance by providing essential resources for these important pollinators. Creating a butterfly-friendly garden goes beyond selecting the right plants. It's also essential to provide adequate shelter and resting places for butterflies. Butterflies need safe spaces to rest, hide from predators, and shield themselves from harsh weather conditions. Incorporating various elements into your garden can ensure that butterflies have a secure habitat throughout their life cycle. Windbreaks. One of the first considerations is to establish windbreaks. Butterflies are delicate creatures that can be easily buffeted by strong winds. Planting shrubs, hedges, or even tall grasses around the perimeter of your garden can serve as effective windbreaks. Species such as privet, Ligustrum spp das, boxwood, Buxus spp dats, and ornamental grasses like switchgrass, Panicum virgatum, are excellent choices. These plants not only reduce wind, but also provide additional perching and resting sites. According to research from the University of Georgia, gardens with well-established windbreaks have higher butterfly visitation rates, as the calm environment allows butterflies to feed and rest more comfortably. Leaf litter and logs. Butterflies, especially during their larval and pupal stages, need places to hide from predators and harsh weather. Maintaining areas with leaf litter, logs, and stones can provide these necessary hiding spots. Leaf litter is particularly important for butterfly species whose larvae overwinter on the ground. A study published in the journal Environmental Entomology found that leaf litter in gardens significantly increased the survival rates of overwintering butterfly larvae by providing insulation and protection. Butterfly houses. Installing butterfly houses in your garden can offer additional shelter. These small wooden structures mimic natural hiding places and provide a refuge for butterflies during bad weather or at night. While there is some debate about the effectiveness of butterfly houses, anecdotal evidence from gardeners suggests that they can be beneficial, particularly when placed in sheltered, sunny locations. Flat stones for basking. Butterflies are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. Providing flat stones or rocks in sunny spots within your garden can create ideal basking sites. Butterflies often perch on these warm surfaces to raise their body temperature before flight. For example, placing large, flat stones near nectar-rich plants can encourage butterflies to linger and feed longer. Observations from the University of California's Butterfly Monitoring Program indicate that gardens with ample basking sites attract more butterflies, as these areas allow butterflies to efficiently manage their body temperature. Diverse vegetation layers. Creating diverse vegetation layers can also enhance the habitat's attractiveness to butterflies. This involves planting a mix of ground covers, herbaceous plants, shrubs, and trees. Such diversity not only provides various microhabitats for different butterfly species, but also supports a broader range of insects that butterflies feed on. For example, planting a combination of low-growing plants like thyme, Thymus spps, and creeping phlox, Phlox subulata, mid-height perennials like coneflowers, Echinacea spp, and taller shrubs or small trees like dogwood, Cornus spp, creates a multi-layered environment. Data from the Royal Horticultural Society suggests that gardens with diverse vegetation layers host higher numbers of butterfly species and individuals compared to more homogeneous landscapes. Creating a butterfly paradise in your garden is not only a rewarding experience, but also a vital contribution to the health of our ecosystem. By planting nectar-rich flowers, host plants for caterpillars, and providing essential shelter and resting places, you can transform your garden into a haven for these beautiful pollinators. Each element, from the selection of native plants to the installation of butterfly houses and basking stones, plays a crucial role in supporting butterflies throughout their life cycle. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. As you attract more butterflies to your garden, you'll also enjoy the added benefits of increased biodiversity and a thriving, vibrant outdoor space. We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to drop your own butterfly gardening tips down in the comments below. And until next time, happy gardening!